From a little island by the ocean shore, a young boy dreamed of something more. Nobody knew what the future would bring, but inside his heart he was already king. He ran through the storms, he fought through the pain. Every fall became a reason to rise again. The world watched him grow, the world watched him shine, and now his story belongs to all time. Records broken, mountains climbed, a name that echoes beyond our lives. Cristiano, forever a legend. You changed the game, you changed our dreams. From Lisbon nights to the brightest seas. Cristiano, forever a legend. The world still sings your name tonight. Your fire burns, your star still shines. Forever a legend. Forever CR7. Manchester called and you answered loud. Madrid embraced you, you made history proud. Turin witnessed another reign, and every challenge became your domain. Portugal believed and you carried the flame. You gave a nation a reason to dream. Every goal, every victory added another page to your story. Golden moments, endless pride, generations inspired across the world tonight. Cristiano, forever a legend. You changed the game, you changed our dreams. From Lisbon nights to the brightest seas. Cristiano, forever a legend. The world still sings your name tonight. Your fire burns, your star still shines. Forever a legend. Forever CR7. Some stars fade away, some heroes are forgotten, but legends live forever. Every child with a football, every dream on the playground, every voice in the crowd still remembers, still believes, still celebrates the name Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano, forever a legend. A king of passion, a king of glory. Millions inspired by your story. Cristiano, forever a legend. No matter where the future goes, your name remains inside our souls. Forever a legend, forever a champion, forever remembered. Forever CR7. From Madeira to the world, from a dream to eternity. Cristiano Ronaldo.